Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to turn off the dark mode of Microsoft Word 2021. This is the 2021 Microsoft Word. You can see the screen is black color. Uh, I want to turn off the dark mode. Okay friends, you can go to the account, then find the Office themes. You can see there is Office themes. So I want to use the colorful. I can use a colorful. There's a combination of themes: dark gray, black, white. I use the colorful. Okay friends, I think you can use these techniques to change dark mode to color mode. Thanks for watching. If you have any question regarding this one, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for next video.